everyone, it's Lana here from Winterfield Studios. I hope you're all having a great day so far. I'm here to share with you a very quick video of my planner spread from the Celestial Dream Bullet Journal collection. So this is a brand new kit available in the shop. And also brand new is the fact that it's a bullet journal kit. So I've got lots of layering kits and elements, but I'm starting to get a little bit more into bullet journaling. I'm absolutely loving it. It's a ton of fun, and I wanted to share with you the kit. So it comes in 5 different sheets, so you can get them a la carte or as a full kit. They're mostly torn paper functionals. So you got 3 of them that'll be the torn paper functionals that allow you to kind of write on them, record your important memories and events and exciting moments. And then you have a really cute Art Deco sheet of neutrals, and then a 5th sheet that has a little bit more decoration, your days of the week, and some more boxes where you can record those special moments in your life. I know you're all so used to me doing kits that are pink and blue and aqua and purple, but this is a neutral kit. So I'm definitely going out of my element a little bit, and I really hope that you like it. I think I'm probably going to create a few more like this because I think these colors really work well for the fall season and give you that kind of cozy feeling. I have layered on some of the foil stickers from my shop, so those would be the flourishes as well as the miscellaneous foiled washi strips that you can kind of cut up and piece together. So if you like it, leave me a comment. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook at WinterfieldStudios, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Thanks for watching.